Hello beautiful buds, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you guys with another episode of Thrift Swap. If this is your first time on this channel, first of all, welcome. Hi, I'm so glad you're here. Please make sure that you hit that little subscribe button and the notification bell if you like thrifting videos, DIYs, and all things ethical and affordable living. But if you've never seen one of these videos before, basically I and another YouTuber friend will go thrift shopping for each other. We set a budget of about $25 and then we send each other the packages of everything that we bought for each other. So today I am doing a thrift swap with Greer Brewer. So I've been a subscriber on Greer's channel for quite a while and she is so cute. She does a lot of thrifting and she has great style. So definitely make sure you check her out. I'll go ahead and put a link to her channel right up here. But I just got this package from her in the mail today and I'm so excited to see what she picked out for me. I literally have not opened this yet and I'm so excited. Immediately adorable. Oh, okay, there's a note. I should read the note first. Oh, she's so cute. She said, "Thank you so much for reaching out to me. I'm so excited to hang out. Oh my." Greer's from Washington, so when I go up to Washington for Christmas, we're gonna hang out. So that's really cool. I really hope you enjoyed the items I picked up for you. I'm super excited to open your package. You're the cutest and the sweetest. Talk soon, Greer. Okay, Greer's the cutest for real. Look at this bag. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. And there's even like a cute little gingham scrunchie on it. So this is from A New Day, which is a Target brand. And this is so cute. Oh my gosh, there's more notes. I know this isn't the right size, but it was so darn cute. It was worth a try. I tried it on for sizing and thought it was okay because it has a waist tie. I hope it fits okay. And it's my favorite color. This is cute. So it's like a shirt dress and it's mustard and cream striped and it has a little tie on the waist and pockets, I see. I can't wait to try this on. It's a large, but I think it's supposed to be like an oversized shirt dress anyway, so I think it'll work. So this is that yellow dress and it's so cute. I love the like slouchy pockets. It's weird because like you would think there would be like a loop here for the belt, but it's just like a little hole. So I don't know if it's supposed to be like inside on the back and then like come out through the front or like vice versa. But I just tied it all the way around because I couldn't really figure it out. Oh, how cute is this handkerchief? I could also put this on the purse or use it in my hair and it's floral. That is so cute. My gosh, she has such great style. Like there's, whoa, maybe 2 more things in here? Oh, this is very cute. So this is a white collared shirt and it has the like cold shoulder sleeves. It's by Love Tree Los Angeles. It's a medium, which is my size. This is so cute. So here is the button up cold shoulder top. I don't think I would wear it with these jeans because they're a little bit too like casual looking. But this is super cute. I don't know, I feel like it's like basic, but like a cool twist on a basic, you know? This is so much stuff. Okay, so there's another note and it says, "Thought this would be so cute with a long sleeve underneath." This is adorable. This is like exactly what I needed for my long sleeve, like white ribbed turtleneck. It's got little tiny stripes on it and pockets. Oh, it looks like the pockets might be fake. It almost looks like overall style. Wow. I am so excited about all of this. All of this is like exactly my style. So this is the blue one and it's so cute. It fits me perfectly. Like I feel like this was supposed to be in my closet. And I put it over a long sleeve turtleneck, just like she said too in her little note. And this is super cute because I was wearing this long sleeve turtleneck with like a shift dress and it like didn't make me feel very defined. So on days where I want to feel a little bit more put together and like, I don't know, less sloppy, like this is perfect. It's so cute. I think this might be my favorite thing. And there's one more thing in here, so much. The little note on this one says, "Hope you have a little tank or undershirt for this, ha ha ha." It's by Liz Claiborne. Wow, how gorgeous. It's like a peasant blouse, but it's all lace. This is so cute. So this is the white lace peasant blouse. I have it on with just like my granny like crop top nude bra on. I think I definitely need to get like a white tank top for underneath it. But it's really cute and comfy and again it fits really well. So that is it for this thrift swap video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I know I did because Greer picked out the most amazing stuff for me. Please make sure that you go and check out her channel because she's super sweet and cute. And also that way you can see the stuff that I picked out for her. And I was really happy with what I found. I found one piece that was Free People and it was new with tags. So that was a big score. So go and check that out for sure. I'll link the little video right up here again. I hope you guys are having an amazing day wherever you are, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!